Okay guys, I think I figured out a solution to how we can have pretty pictures that looks like they've been framed even though we don't actually have frames for them. So when you get ready to type the information about the teacher that you've chosen, you're going to go down here in the search bar and type publisher. This is what you're looking for, publisher. So click on that. If it asks you to sign in, you must sign in order to do this. So that means your email address and your password. So if it asks you to sign in, go ahead and do so. So you have two options to choose from when you're going to type up your information about the teacher that you've chosen. You can do this direction, which would be longer lengthwise, or you can do this way and it's wider. I'm going to go with this one. You can choose whichever one you want. Open it up, and this one, look, when you see down here, it's at 25%. I want to zoom in just so that I can see it better. You do whatever works for you. Maybe that looks pretty good. Okay, once you get here, there you have a couple of options. Insert, right here where my arrow is what you're going to choose to make your design around the page that looks like a picture frame. So you can say online pictures, which would be, you could go here and type in the word frame, like a picture frame. And you see that there are lots of options to choose from. When you scroll down, more come up. Let's see, I kind of like one that actually looks like a picture frame, so I think I'm going to choose this one and then click insert, and it should go to my document. And now you're just going to pull it over here onto the page and resize it. Make sure that you stay within these lines right here, the blue lines, because that's how big our page is. So you can pull it over here to the edge if you like. Now when you're ready to type the words that you're going to type about the teacher, you're going to say insert, draw text box. See this right here? So when you click it, you come down here, you see that this is a little plus sign, and wherever you click and hold, it will open up an area where you can go back and type your words. When you're ready to type, 10 is going to be way, a font size of 10 is going to be way too small for someone that's walking down the hall to see. Remember, we're going to hang these in the hall, so you want your font to be big enough for people to see. First, I'm going to choose my font style, and I want my font to look, maybe this I kind of like. And then I'm going to choose maybe 20. Let's see how that looks. So let's pretend that you chose Miss Martin. I chose Miss Martin. Or let's say you could say, how about this? Miss Martin is a superhero at Tusculum View. Because she is always smiling when I see her. She is kind and fair to all the students at our school. Remember, we said that we're probably going to put at least 4 or 5 sentences. So if you have got, let's see, let's keep going and see if how many sentences we can get in. Whenever I see her in the hall, she always speaks to me. I think it was so funny when she, whoops, see, misspelled that. Oh, that, I don't like how that did that. I think it was so funny when she got slimed. I hope we get to slime her again. Thank you, Miss Martin, for being such a great principal. Now, make that a little bit bigger so that it's not hyphenating things. So let's say that you think, well, do you think I can make those words any bigger? Would it fit? You can highlight it, and you can go up here and say, would 22, oh look, 22 fits perfectly. So when you're finished, you're going to want to print it. And to print, you go to File, and then Print. Now, you're probably only going to have Elementary Hall as an option. If the Elementary Hall only prints black and white pictures or text. So if you want it to be color, because you can see this is brown, so it would be much nicer to print it in color. So you can click this button and see which printers are available to you. TV Office is a color printer, but I do not think that your computers has TV Office as an option. But it does have an option that is called, let's see if I have it. I don't have it. So let's see if I can find it. Add printer. It's called fifth grade, right here. TV 5th grade. That one would be in the library. So if you want to add it, let's see if it added it now when we go back. Yeah, right here it is. Click it. Make sure you do this. Print properties. And make sure color is highlighted. Otherwise, it might do black and white. Okay? After you've done that, you just say print, and then you can go get it. Now, that's one way to do a search. I think that's probably the easiest for you all. Another way to do it, let's see if I can do it. Is you can make a border, but I have to think where, wait, did I see border? View, page design. I think there is one that says border. Look and see if you see that border. I'm not seeing it. Insert, table, pictures, shapes. Oh, borders. So you could go down here to where it says frames, and let's say that you thought this frame was nice. You can do that, and then you can reshape it to the size you want. Pull it over here to the edge, and you can kind of go about doing the same way that you did. Draw a text box. When you come down here and you have the plus sign, make it big, and you can type your words here. So either way you want to do it is fine with me. Good luck, and I hope we have some beautiful